y'all? We back, baby. Time to get dinner cooked. I'm not wasting no time today. I was not long of a drive. Well, it was 11 hours, but only did 619 miles. I went to a lot of construction through Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. There's a lot of construction, so if you're a driver, just know you're gonna hit a lot of construction in that area. But hey, let's cook. That's what y'all here for. About to sit my fat ass back. I got both of my cookie sheets or my cutting boards using. See, boom and boom. Put this in. Put the sausage in. I don't use a butt piece. I cook it and then I just eat it. I don't put it in my pasta. Don't look good to me. I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna scoop this over. This one, well, water for my pasta. And put this over here next to it. And I gotta cut up some bell peppers, some onions, some mushrooms, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, we are back. And we got these beautiful andouille sausage done. We got about a quarter stick of butter. About to put this in. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to throw some away because I don't need a quarter stick. That's quite a bit. Cut it in half. There we go. Let's go in the trash and start touching meat. I got plenty of butter left, don't worry. Then we're gonna put this over here. I'll leave it right there. We got the onions and bell peppers. And you see I got mushrooms right here, got onions and bell peppers right here. I'm just gonna use my hands. I ain't sharing with nobody. My hands are clean. We're gonna let these saute up. Spatula. As y'all see, I didn't feel like putting the table out today. Like I said, 11 hours of driving makes you kind of tired. Okay, we're gonna let these cook down a little bit, saute up, get soft, and we'll be back with part 2, y'all. All right, y'all, we'll be back. I forgot one vital ingredient. Flour. Duh. I'm going into the beauty right here. Just 1 spoon. But I'm not making it. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. That's plenty. Don't want it too thick. Then we're just gonna mix this around. That's what the butter will help with, is help it dissolve. Sorry, I didn't mean to stutter, but it happens sometimes. Got the heavy whipping cream right here. This is going to be the longest step of it, but it is what it is. And I'm back, y'all. Alright guys, we back. As you see, these are sauteing up real beautiful, real nice. Like, we about to season it. I don't like the seasoning to burn. That's why I don't put it on while all the other stuff is cooking. Don't worry, I got a vacuum. Don't worry. Paprika. Shasheries, as y'all see, yes sir. I'm not putting any extra salt and pepper because this has salt and pepper in it amongst other things. So y'all don't come at me, I know what I'm doing. Then of course, some minced garlic. Take it out, drain the fluid off. Goodness, that came quick. Then I'm going to take some of these crushed ranch. There we go. Then we'll mix this around again. This was going to be my live video, my first live video, but I couldn't wait no more. Get me to 1,000, I'll make something different. Or I'll make a different version of this, something special. Don't worry. My first live video, to people that don't mind. But hey, I'll be back for part 3. Part 3, we back. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put the mushrooms in. Like mushrooms, I love mushrooms. Now that I don't need to scoop this into nothing else, I can use the spoon to mix it a little better. Because with this being such a small pan, you can't really get it like you can with the spatula like you can with the spoon. And I want to shout out Alpha. Thank you for shouting me out, man. I appreciate it, man. I've never had anybody show me so much love. And when I say never, I mean never. And most people that do it for like one time and then I get ignored the rest of the time. But hey, I'll let y'all. Alright, y'all, we back. We got the shrimp, of course. We're gonna put these in. We got some shrimp and some cut up lobster in there too, so yes sir. I was able to dial one lobster tail pretty quick, so it worked. And then while this is cooking, we're gonna take these tomatoes right here, fresh tomatoes that I diced up. No, these are not canned. These are fresh. Got it from Subway. I went inside. Hey, I'll go inside quick and have Subway. Hey, how much is it to buy just a couple vegetables? As you see, I got tomatoes and spinach. That's the next part. Spinach is the last thing that goes in. Oh, piece of tomato fell off my hand. Just mix it around. Just mix it around and that fell off. No, can't do nothing. I want as much of this to be good as possible. some of that juice and butter gets on all the shrimp. Some of that seasoning blends in too, or mixes in too. And this is there's 2 more steps left, and I'll show y'all when I come back. All right, y'all, we back. I'm almost done. Got the heavy cream. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's not gonna be it. Don't worry. Gotta mix this around. Yes, I'm using a spoon. And I'll be back with the next when I'm almost done. Alright, y'all, we back and we got the Subway spinach going in. Yes, you heard me right. The Subway spinach going in. That should be good. Getting the sauce so it withers, so it wilts. Yeah, come for me. Yeah. And we'll be back. Alright, y'all, this is the final part. Parmesan cheese. Put it over the top. You want to put a good amount of Parmesan. You gotta put a good amount of Parmesan. And that ain't it. Okay. Oh, wrong bag. Oh, got this bag of extra. Sorry. Got the other bag right here. We need to take some mozzarella. Put it on top of that. Put mozzarella in it too. It's gonna be fire, y'all. I'm telling you. If you're lactose intolerant, like I am, I got my dairy pills. This is also not just to add flavor, but it's also gonna thicken the sauce. Yes, I love cheese, as y'all can see. But watch as it mixes. You want to mix it all the way to the edges. Bring the edges in, kind of similar to folding it in, but the cheese is going to incorporate into it, do all this beauty. See all that cheese stringing around? Yes, sir, you want that. The final part. Alright, y'all, we at the final part. Check the pasta out. Yeah, y'all saw the pot earlier. That's where the pasta was boiling. Okay, there's that. Now here's the good part. Yes, I got everything I need to plate up in this truck. See all that cheese? Yes, sir. Put this on the chopping board over here. And there you go, y'all. And if you want it to look extra pretty, you do a little something like this on it. Take a little bit of, last little bit of Parmesan, right? Just sprinkle it on top. get a taste test done. Let's see if I can. There we go. And boom. There's dinner, y'all. Nice and done. And I'm gonna wrap, put some, yes, there y'all see, got some foil in here. We got a few things of foil. Got that one. Got this one. And got this one that ain't even open yet. Because I do taste tests, so when I do my taste test, well, because I do taste tests, I carry foil. Fold it under. All right, y'all, we got a taste test. Let's get it.
Oh, wow, that's really good. You like to cook?
I love to cook.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's really good. Oh, my God. Mm. 100%.
That's what the spinach and
really
tomatoes
good.
is for.
Wow. Can I have another bite?
Hmm?
Can I have another bite?
Oh, it's all yours.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
That's your dinner.
Awesome. Thank you so much. This is good. You did a good job.
Yeah, it's what, like I said, that's what my TikTok is about. It's
Oh, wow.
just showing people that we don't have to eat, no disrespect, but fast food.
Mm-hmm.
And I told them about me getting spinach and tomatoes from you. And that's
Wow.
what it was for.
Awesome. You did an amazing job.
I think she likes it, you guys.
Yeah, for sure. That's good. Thank you.
All right, you have a good
You
night.
too. Thank you so much. Be safe out there.
All right, definitely. But guys, you see, haven't lost one yet.